Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about a Python library that is creating a REST API inference or the endpoints for the open source models. This library looks really interesting and promising, so let's see it in action. I also want to add that closed LLM like ChatGPT also created a REST API inference on top of their model, and this REST API endpoints are open to the external world, and anyone can use this REST API endpoint. There are two ways you can do that. One is with the subscription one, and second is the free one. So you just need an open AI key, and with the help of that key you can trigger this API and get response from the model. And this is something I also want to try out with the OpenLLM. So let's see this in action. This is the GitHub link for the library. I will provide the link in the description. Let's see how we can install it. So you can install this library with the help of pip command. There are some other help options available. So let me try to install this package. So just an FYI, I'm using PyCharm as an IDE. You can use any other IDE as well. So let me just install this package. At first time it may take a while because there are some heavier packages as well like PyTorch, so it may take a while. So as you can see, the installation is in progress. All the required packages are installed. Currently PyCharm is just updating the skeletons. In the meantime, let's see what are the OpenLLM model this library supports at the moment. In the meantime, let's check what are the different models supported by this package. So as you can see that we have Llama, we have Falcon, we have some other models as well. The another good thing that they did is that you can also start a specific model, right? So in this example, as they have said that they want to start, they want to use the Llama model and then they want to use this specific model ID, which is really nice. Okay, so installation is already done. Let me run one of the model. Let's see if I can run this model. Model has started now. So let's see if the REST endpoints are in place. So by default, it is using port 3000 and you can see the different endpoint that has been created. So as you can see, we have service API endpoint and infrastructure endpoint created. So let's see one of the requests, which is this generate, and you can see these are the number of parameters that you can pass in this LLM. So for an example perspective, I'll go back to PyCharm again. This is the example that I have run. I have simply opened a connection with the HTTP client with a local host, and to be honest, I'm not much interested in the output. If you're interested, you can go through that. This is how you can create REST endpoint with the help of OpenLLM. To add some point in conclusion, I found this library really interesting, though sometimes I see that there is a delay in terms of getting the response from the model. I hope this will be resolved in future. So as I said, this library is really new and more features are coming. So let's see in future if we have a robust library in place. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you.